Hello, traders. Welcome back to the Ford Traders channel. Welcome back to the Ford Traders YouTube. And welcome back to the standard Sunday Focus live stream. So every single Sunday, we will be going through the fundamental analysis, what happened in the previous 5 days. And I'll be covering the plan for upcoming 5 days. So two very important things. We will learn from the mistakes or from the good things that we've made this week. And we will also prepare for the upcoming 5 days. To be completely fair, I believe that the Sunday Focus is just the most important stream from the whole week, from the whole live trading sessions that I do. This one is the most key one, and that's why I'm being like very focused every time when we do it, because it's really important to do it right and create a very in-depth plan that will keep us ready for trading for the upcoming 5 days. Anyways, I want to start today's live stream with a little bit different approach from what we do all the time. So every time I just go and start charting, today we'll do a little bit different approach. As I said, why? I just want to show you the progress that we did this week, because I've been sharing basically all my trade ideas that I had, which led to making basically over 10% on the account, on the funded one, which is crazy. But this was really just exceptional week. That is not really happening all the time, and it's not really common. So, that's something that you need to keep in mind. But I just want to point out that I think every single trading influencer or trading guru, because I class myself as a, the trading guru, that doesn't sound good at all, but I just like teach people how to trade. So I think every single one of these people should be actually trading live or showing some like live results, because in the end, that's what's the most important. I'm just gonna log to the account. Challenge phase. This one right here. So basically we are up by $22,000. That is very good. We'll have the payout on Wednesday, February 7th, which leads me to saying that most likely I'm not going to be trading this account till this day, because I just really want to be conservative and really just wait for the payout here. And there's no need to really mess it up now. If you will go to Trading Journal, you'll be able to see that we started this account on Tuesday with amazing profit, $8,210. This was basically buy and sell on gold. I took a loss on Wednesday, but Thursday also very profitable day, and Friday obviously another $8,000 day. So that is absolutely amazing. I'm just wondering why we have this in Spanish down there. Doesn't really matter. All of these trades were taken live inside my own Discord community, and I've been posting the plan the whole week. The losing day, that was this trade right here, and that was also a trade on gold, I believe. The trade on gold, the losing one, I wasn't posting because it was a little bit riskier one, but that's where we took the losses. We started the week with this setup here. So this setup was posted in advance on Friday. I gave you the exact plan here. I gave you the stop loss. I gave you the take profit. This is how it played out. Second trade right here, I was posting that we are looking for something like this. Another trade that played out. Plan like this. This was the morning plan. This is how it played out. Look, we caught the exact bottom on the euro-dollar chart, which led to making how much? $6,000. And then this trade right here that I was also posting right there led to making $7,900. The numbers doesn't matter. To be completely fair, the numbers, the US dollar numbers doesn't really matter. Do not pay attention to them. Do not set this as expectation for your account. Why? Because I'm someone who is doing this for more than 5 years. That's the first thing. I'm someone who passed multiple prop firms and had multiple payouts and have more than 500K in the funded capital. And the one last thing is that the time, basically, it's just like I'm doing this for quite a long time already. So do not set the same expectation. Do not think that you'll be doing exactly the same. Trading is just about percentages, okay? So basically, if you have 1 million account, you would make much more money than I did. If you have 100K account, you would make less money. If you have 10K account, you would make less money. It's all about the percentages. So just keep that in mind, because I'm someone who is trying to show you the real expectations, the real result from trading. And I'm telling you that this is something that you can expect. Basically the percentages. So less percentages usually than 10% in a week. That's really not a usual, it's not really a usual result that I have. But you know, what can happen next week is that I can be down by 5%. So in average, I'm able to make around 7 to 10% per month. So basically, if I stop now, we are sorted for the whole February. Anyways, if you want to be the part of the team and you want to learn the strategy and you are from Czechia, then go to the CW Trading and we will teach you from A to Z. And I'm trading live every single day inside the group. So I know there's plenty of scammers, plenty of people that are pretending to be traders, but I'm showing you the theory. Then every single day, I'm showing you what I do in practice. What more could you possibly want? All right, cool. So let's check the chat and we can start with the actual TA because I think that's why you are here. So hope today I'll get the giveaway. Good luck to you. Congratulations. Thank you, guys. How about the giveaway? Stay patient. There will be a giveaway. Jan, be aware that there is a conflict in Syria and Iraq. Jan, add a bit of volume. I can do it, actually. So give me a second, and I'll just add a little bit of volume. No, it's actually set to maximum, so I can't add any more volume. Hello from Slovakia. Hello. Very nice and valuable new video. Appreciate it. The thing is that I don't even know what video we uploaded since I have a team of people that takes care of this. But I think it was about the strategy, basically my favorite strategy that I use. So can you do NASDAQ analysis, guys? I'm not really into NASDAQ. Usually I don't do it because I just don't know the pair. And I'm not really trying to give you any ideas. All right, so let's pay attention to what is happening here. Potential retrace after liquidity sweep. Look what we got. I was marking this level when we are right here. It's really all about just understanding the market structure, understanding the local momentum. And yeah, that's basically it. And you see how perfectly it works. Anyways, euro dollar, let's start a TA. Currently, we got a strong low. That is still, I would say, like 200 pips away. No, actually, it's only 64. Okay, so my bad. You are pretty close to it. Basically, EU this week is going to be hitting absolutely crucial zone that is down there. Few major things for me. Paying attention to volume. I want to see... Nope. You can't buy the community without the course. Why? Well, because the trade calls and the trading live that I do here is based on the strategy that I teach you in course. You'll be lost. If you don't have the theory, you'll just have the practice. That wouldn't work. Day in the life more videos. Yes, we can actually do it. We can do more day in the lives videos. But like the day in the lives usually doesn't really give you any value. It's like showing the live, but not really teaching anything. Listen, You want to pay attention to videos that will get you to the point where you have the same day in the life as I do. But if you'll be watching my day in the life, that's not gonna get you anywhere. You know what I mean? So like pay attention more to the educational videos because that can actually lead you to having a life as I do. I like that you don't use lots of indicators in your charts to impress your audience. Well, it's the thing is that I'm not here to impress my audience. I'm here to show them that I'm a real trader and I show it live, how I do it. Anyways, I'm just gonna stop reading the chat for now and I will do the analysis. So basically, this zone is extremely important on EU right here. We will be paying attention to potential bounce out of this zone. Personally, I think that we'll be hitting the strong low. So EU is likely to continue lower. Based on the fundamentals, based on what we got on Friday, DXY, no weakness at all. And I think that we will be going above the highs here. So definitely monitor these highs. We will do an alert on DXY. But personally, I think we are going there, which leads us to hitting the strong low. That will decide what happens after that. But there's going to be a huge liquidity sweep. So liquidity point, be aware of this level. If you zoom in to like a 15-minute time frame, is there any one major key level on the chart? Personally, I don't think so. Let me just double check. Yeah, this level was tapped. So I wanted to say that this level, but this level is mitigated already. We can't really use it to our own advantage. There is this fair value gap right here, potentially a zone where we can stop for a while, but this is definitely not something that you want to be buying. So already you could be getting a pretty good idea that we are looking for a short, okay? So I'm leaning towards being bearish on EU and I'm leaning towards going short again. How do we do it? Well, I want to be selling around the 382 potentially higher. So that's the first thing, 382 and higher, which is here. Liquidity sweep, this point, I want to see this high being taken before I go short. So also important thing to mention. Going down to the 5-minute time frame, there is this supply around the 382, which is perfect. Which leads us also to the fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame. You see, it's like a puzzle. It's just like combining more things, and in the end, you get a nice level. So personally, what I believe is a great level on EU is actually right here for a potential entry zone to a short. This orange box with the red corners is a potential level for a short. What do we want to see? Well, we want to see move to the upside. Like the ideal scenario, this is not really based on any TA or any like statistic, but I would like to see liquidity being taken, changing the local trend, going sideways for a while, sweeping the liquidity, and then seeing another move down. So very likely scenario is that we're not going to get any potential trade tomorrow, but on Tuesday. Okay, so be aware of this. One thing that is likely to happen is that we will continue straight down. So this is definitely something that is quite likely to happen. Will it happen? I don't know. But be aware of it. This is my only plan on EU for now. As I said, I'm still looking lower to the strong low. So personally, I would be looking for something like this on a 4-hour time frame this week. That is really all I need to know on the EU, to be completely fair with you. So I'm just going to preset sweep here and here. So alerts. So why am I looking for a move down? I think that a lot of you don't really know why I'm looking for a move down. So let's talk about it. Well, the internal structure, not really broken yet, still in a downtrend. So this is the internal high. We don't have the internal low yet because we haven't hit the 382. That's the first thing. Second thing is the NFP on Friday. Thing number 3 is the DXY, not sweeping the highs yet. So That's the thing number three. And thing number four is the liquidity that is created on the 4-hour time frame, and also the 15-minute time frame right here, combination with the fair value gap and with the 5-minute supply. So basically, that zone is created by 15-minute fair value gap, 5-minute supply, and a liquidity sweep point. That is basically it, the three things. Let's read the chat. This week news, first meeting successful. Are you from India? Equal lows on 15-minute time frame. Nice. People are becoming friends in the chat. It's amazing. You can always find good friends. Well, you mean this? Well, potentially, yeah, but I don't really see it as a equal lows to be like it is equal lows, but I'm not really paying a lot of attention to it. Let's play the giveaway. That's why you are here. So tell me the three things why I found this level right here. I just said it. I just finished the sentence. Tell the three things why I'm paying attention to this level. You have 60 seconds, and the first two will win the challenge. First one correct. This one here. And winner is another winner. So this guy and this guy are the winners of 10K challenge. This one and this one. Congrats to you guys. Congrats to you. Good job. Now just go to 4Traders, open a new ticket, and tell them that you won. You need to send a screenshot of you being logged into the YouTube account. You see how many questions I have here. I answered to every single one of you. I just do it later today. Yo, chat, chill. Yeah, guys, the giveaway is over. You can chill for now. We'll do it again next live stream. Let's pay attention to gold. I think the giveaway, it's a great start, but if you pay attention to the things that I'm showing you here, it has much more value than some 10K account, to be completely fair with you. Because with this know-how, you'll be able to buy 100K account, 200K account, doesn't matter. Because it just works. All right. Let's pay attention to what is happening here. So currently the internal low is still going to be here with the internal high being up here. That's the 4-hour internal structure that I would pay attention to. It's going to be the internal high right here. Delete this. Well, actually, the internal low moved down here. That was my bad. All right. So the internal structure, from what I see, gold is going pretty much sideways. If you zoom out, this is the range that we are playing on the 4-hour time frame. We can delete all of these levels. Where is the channel tool? I wasn't using this thing for past 10 weeks, I would say, something like that. Okay, let's pay attention to the naked point of control. If we have any, not sure. Still loading up. The SVP tool takes ages to load up. I have no clue why. This is bullshit. Honestly. Don't you want to try a challenge about starting? No, I don't. This is the worst thing that you can do as a trader and as a trading influencer, because you are luring to people basically to the belief that it's something normal to do, which is complete bullshit. It's it's from $100 to 10K. It's so hard to do from in terms of percentages. So one way is complete gamble, but then instead of showing people the real side of trading and how to be consistent, you are showing them how to be a gambler. So it's really up to you what you want to do. It would have hundreds of thousands of views. I think I would make a lot of money on that, but I'm not gonna do it because it doesn't fit my long-term vision. It doesn't fit my long-term mission, what I want to do on YouTube, which is showing people the real side of trading and showing them how you can actually make money from trading and how to expect the real numbers, which is 5, 10, 15K per month, but not flipping this. That's a bullshit, honestly. Everyone agrees that the future of trading is in algo trading. So does it make sense start trading today when it happened that in a few years the ordinary retail trader will not be able to profit? Well, even nowadays, like majority of the big market participants, the trades are taken by algorithms, and I'm still able to make money from the trading. So it's not going to be like, or I believe it's not going to be like you can make the money from trading. It's just going to be developing, and you got to be developing with it too. Hopefully that does make sense. Anyways, plenty of liquidity being swept on the gold chart here. Okay, so these lows, we swept the liquidity and we got a very strong move out of it. Where is the 382? The 382 is still not tapped. We are getting close to it. This is going to be the first level that I'll be paying attention to on a gold chart. Let's go down. Here I want to see some naked point of control, if we have any. Not sure. Nope. There's nothing here. Where was the 382 again? Here. Inside this mini gap here. What about the 5 minute? This doesn't look good at all. To be honest, I don't know on gold. I don't really see any good opportunity potentially here near the 382 for a quick rejection, but that's not enough to take a trade for me. So this is a zone where I would expect some another move down, but it's not really a strong level, to be completely fair. And I would look for the move up potentially. Yeah. Hard to tell, honestly, on gold. We are still inside this range, and we are now sweeping the liquidity of the high. I'm leaning towards being bearish again on gold, to be completely honest with you. And I believe it's a little bit more likely scenario to play out. That doesn't mean that it's going to happen, okay? Personally, I'm probably going to stay on the sidelines, and I'm not going to be trading gold. I will rather trade euro dollar inside this zone here. But here, it doesn't really make a lot of sense to me. Keep your mission and your vision. So I said it the wrong way. Keep your vision and your mission. You're doing well, bro. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, Michael. Or the big bullets. And do you trade swing trading? Well, yeah, I'm sometimes I'm basically changing my positions that were initially day trades to a swing trade. Yeah, that's why I'm saying that I'm gonna stay on the sidelines on gold. If you are a forex trader and don't use fundamentals and don't know what macroeconomics and all the important stuff, you are going to lose money. I actually agree with you. Uh, Using fundamentals completely change my trading, and you can see it on the results that we are getting. Basically, we are focusing on fundamentals past 9 months, and the results that we are getting are absolutely amazing. So that's why I'm leaning also towards being bearish on euro dollar, because I think that the dollar itself is gonna be strengthening again after the NFP. So we actually use a lot of fundamentals. It's just fundamentals and the technicals. Fundamental part is much harder to learn, much harder to implement. And that's why I'm not really showing it on the live stream, because you would be completely lost. So I'm just saying you that, okay, after the NFP, we are looking for dollar to keep strengthening, but I'm not really giving you the reason, because you wouldn't really understand it, to be completely fair. So yeah, we actually do use it. We can quickly check the DXM on the EU and then on gold. Pretty much even, but it's not that crazily important. But I would be leaning towards being bullish on the DXY, as I said. All right, now let's pay attention to the Bitcoin. That's going to be one last thing that I'll do today. I lost the YouTube. Goddamn, where is it? Oh, here. How many percentages you risk? 1%. What is your opinion on one-step challenge? One-step challenge is great if you want to make one payout, one quick payout. Then one step is great. Otherwise, if you're looking for holding the account for a longer amount of time, I would say go for two-step. Is there a Coca-Cola there? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm expecting bull run in 2024. Would you ever show your fundamental analysis? Well, we are actually planning to do a module about the fundamental analysis. We are currently creating like a book for it. Or basically it's going to be like a PDF guide, and then it's going to be finished by videos. But to tell you the truth, like, we are stuck at creating the PDFs, because we've done like a blueprint of the things we want to implement, and the result is 590 A4 pages of PDFs. So it's like a whole book, you know, approximately something like that. So, and that includes the whole understanding of the macroeconomics, of potential predictions of the news events, how it impacts the chart, how to trade it, and all of these things. I spent well over $20,000 in education in past 9 months to learn about fundamentals. So I think I can say that I have some knowledge already. And we see the results, which is the most important thing. All right. So the 4-hour time frame, basically the fair value gap is rejecting the price here. If you zoom out, I still believe that this level is likely to be tapped, 37,000, which is the level where I would be actually looking for. Currently, I'm leaning towards being bearish too. But I'm not really actively day trading Bitcoin for now. Because, just simply said, the trades that we are getting on EU are much easier to take. Okay, bro. Thanks. First time joining your live 100 share, but ignore. This not good. What do you mean by 100 share, but ignore? Waiting account. What do you mean? I have no clue what you mean, man. Do you invest in crypto or just trade BTC? Thanks, I'm gone. Bye then. You need to understand that this live stream is for you and to create a plan, not for you to invite people. I appreciate it, of course, but I'm not gonna give you a funded account for that. Uh, do you invest in crypto or just trade Bitcoin? I do invest in like a long-term positions on Bitcoin, so like a long-term investments. But like I've said this already a million times, but I think that I'm not really a good investor yet because that's completely different story. It's just like I would say driving a car and then driving a motorcycle. It's just like some things are quite similar to it, but in the end it's a little bit different, you know. So I'm not here to really give you advice about the investments because I've made some money, good money from investments, but to be honest, that was more of a luck than just like some strategic approach. So that's why I don't really have capabilities yet to really tell you that, okay, do this and that, this is what I'm doing. I can do it with trading and I proved my results, but with investing, not really yet. All right. Let's pay attention to the Bitcoin. All right, still naked POC here. So that is in favor with the plan that I have. The chart is so choppy on BTC. Still view this as an internal low. Right here. Okay. Liquidity is here. That's pretty much done. I'm bearish on Bitcoin too. And I would be looking for something like this. This zone here is my first level of interest where I'm looking to get into some trade. Quick long. Apart from that, obviously, very nice trade would be going back above the high here, sweeping the liquidity and going down. But I think I'm a bit naive that we're gonna get this. I don't really think so. Anyways, this is the plan for now. So let's see. Pro invited the whole family and now he's mad at Jan. Exactly. How is the naked point of control indicator called on TradingView? SVP, session volume profile. Then you just need to create these like indicator template. And this is the settings for the SVP. Just the value area volume and the row size are the two important things. Apart from that, it's just, Congrats to you, Misko. Michko, I guess. Congrats to you. Hopefully it made your day a little better. Anyways, let's just do a recap of the plan. So gold, done, sorted. The plan is ready. We are looking for this level that is not really a high probability level. Potentially looking for a move down out of it. Euro dollar is the most important pair for us, basically looking for the sweep, looking for hitting this level and continuing the bearish momentum down. Bitcoin, potential support here, locally bearish too. Let's just check the CME gap. It's not that much important, but sometimes it can lead to good ideas. Okay, so it's actually right here. Okay, so we may go and sweep the liquidity, but we'll see. If we go, potential trade. If we don't, bind here. All right, cool. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for participating on a stream. Hopefully, the plan helped you. I'm going to give you some recap tomorrow inside the Discord community. But for now, we are done, ready to kill it again. Keep in mind to keep the correct risk management. Don't be in euphoria. This is something where I'm being very, very patient and well aware of that even though we got like very good results now, it doesn't have to happen again next week. Thank you so much, and see you again on Thursday, which is going to be another live trading session.